Look at the ashes, it's raining ashes. Ano nangyari sa Tagaytay, kuya? Ano nangyari sa Tagaytay? It exploded? Taal volcano? Exploded? Punta ako na yon sa Tagaytay. Grabe, look ha. It's raining ashes. Ooh la la, crazy talaga. So as we see guys, it's raining ashes and people are even trying to cover their nose so it doesn't get inside their body. Gonna clean my... Grabe. I'm cleaning my salaming. It's so dirty. Crazy Joe, it's raining ashes. Grabe Joe, ano ito?
Ashes.
Ashes, marami. Tingnan mo, dito. Oh la la. It's raining ashes. We were driving outside earlier and we just parked in the cover parking because it's raining ashes, literally. Tignan mo ha. Para simento. Oh. Look at this, guys. Oh la la. You feel it?
Yes, it's snow.
Snow.
Snow in the Philippines. Color black.
So as we know, the volcano just erupted and it's snowing. You see the ashes? Come, let's take a look. Look. Grabe. Look, everybody is wearing masks as of this moment I'm talking to you, and I will be going to Tagaytay. Joe, takot ka. Ayaw mo punta sa Tagaytay. Pero punta tayo sa Tagaytay. Let's go. Joe. Grabe, look at that. You see my windshield? Sabihin mo, may ano, N95 mask kayo.
Hello guys. Ma'am, may NMAS po kayo na mask? Ubos na po. Bakit po?
Ay, dahil siguro usok.
Ay, sige po, salamat. Wala na to. Ay, try sa kabila. Excuse me po, kuya. May N90, ay, N925 na mask po kayo? Wala na rin. Wala na rin po. Wala na.
Wala na? Sige, punta tayo sa ano? Mercury Drug. Why are you laughing, George? We have to go and drive to other branches of Mercury Drug to find the N95 mask. We couldn't find it anywhere. We are trying all the places. We're roaming around the entire area here. We're gonna drive all the way to Batangas or Tagaytay to the rescue centers where we'll be giving away the masks for free and giving away water, giving away blankets or whatever we can, clothes to the people who got affected. We're gonna try the Mercury Drug. Meron dito, Joe?
Opo, baka po meron sana.
It's very, very dangerous even to smell the ashes. And everybody knows that the Taal volcano in Tagaytay just erupted with the warning signal of 4, I guess.
Opo.
The highest is
Level 5.
the highest is 5, which is really, really, I mean, scary and dangerous.
Morning po. Ay, good afternoon na pa.
Wala na po.
Wala na.
Lahat out of stock. Dito rin?
Yes.
Saan mo lahat yung Mercury Drug out of stock.
Las Piñas Paranaque sir, wala na po.
Las Piñas Paranaque.
Kasi sa iba branch, sabi niya also out of stock sa Mercury Drug.
So, ito po deliver sir, darating, hindi namin kaya alam.
Hindi lang masasabi ko battery.
Darating na talaga kami.
May iba mask or wala?
Wala po.
Lahat po ng mask, wala. Face out na.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ganun.
We try somewhere else.
Salamat po.
Let's go, we're gonna try to search somewhere else.
Run.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Where can we find the N95 mask?
May mas na ba tayo doon yung 95 sa mga park? Kaya pinawagan ko taas. Kagabi pa doon sa mga.
So, ubos lahat yung stocks.
Sa tawag lang sa ibang pinakamalapit sa si Las Piñas. Tawagan mo lang.
Sige, please. Pag meron.
Tawag mo lang sa
So, wala na yung 95 mask dito. Oh,
Sayang.
hanap sa iba branch. Sa Vista Mall, Las Piñas, wala na rin.
Wala na. Lahat po nung branch nila, tsaka yung mga Mercury Drugs sa Las Piñas,
Sold
Paranaque, Alabang, sold out.
Saan pwede? Pili?
Hindi ko po alam eh. Tingin ko po, Pasay.
Sa Pasay? Sige, let's try.
Sa mga mall po doon, hardware.
Oo. We're gonna buy tubig, Joe.
Maraming tubig.
Oo. Tapos punta tayo sa Divisoria para we can buy the mask.
Do you need help, Joe?